a woman from Oyo State came. She had 3 daughters. She didn't have a son. 3 daughters. The youngest was a very small girl, unmarried, 51. Very small. Very young. 51. Now, as if that was there's somebody stopping them from getting married is even bad enough. They gave all of them fibroids and they kept cutting off. It will grow again. Cutting off, and all of them were old in our house. Graduates. I walked in there one time. I saw on the altar crying, praying. Elderly woman. Crying, praying. When she should be resting, she was still toiling. I said, how do they survive? He said, I give them from my pension. I said, don't they work? He said, work. They are in pain every day from the fibroids. We will cut it, operate it, it will grow again. And while we were praying, I held her, and while I was praying, I had the name. I said, who is this person? He says, my sister, my only sister. I said, what does she say? He said, no, she's not the one. She's not the one. I said, she's not the one. She's not the one. I said, but that's what the Lord is telling me. She knows what is going on. I said, no, she's not the one. I said, give me a picture. She gave me. She brought the sister's picture as part of those she's praying for. There's nothing as painful as when your enemy is your prayer partner. And I lifted the picture. I said, Father, if wickedness is good, let this woman taste it. If wickedness is good, let her taste it. 2 weeks later, she was rushed here. What was her condition? She got so afflicted, demented, elderly woman, demented, afflicted. She will poo-poo, eat it, wee-wee, drink it. Poo-poo, eat it, wee-wee, drink it. Poo-poo, eat it. Now she will wait and the people come out. So they will hold her. She will start the fight. They will leave it. She will eat her fish, her poo-poo, drink her pee. That's the highest level of judgment from God. And when they brought her, I said to her, Mama, you are not going to die quick. You will die slowly. But you will only die and die in peace when you open your mouth and begin to confess. Right there, he said, no need. She opened up and began to confess. And the lady was amazed. She came to the office to see me with a beret on her head. When I mean, you know beret Christians. You know beret Christians. Those, no earring, no makeup, so that kind of deception. There's nothing wrong in that. But there are many people who are hiding under that to provoke wickedness and hatred. To provoke wickedness, perpetual. Anybody in your family that is a victim, listen to this, that is a victim of a witchcraft spell, anyone in your family that is a victim of a satanic agenda, today in the name of Jesus, that strong man dies in a hurry. That strong man dies in a hurry. Some time ago, I was praying. I went somewhere for prayer. Listen to this and let's just go on. I went to my prayer place for prayer. While I was praying, I have a prayer partner who some of you may know, an elderly man. While we were praying together, somebody wanted to see me, so I pleaded with him. I said, could you please help me? Just tell them I don't want to see anybody now. He went downstairs and he told them. The next he came up and he was speaking in tongues. I said, why are you speaking in tongues? He was speaking in tongues, speaking in tongues. Why are you speaking in tongues? He was speaking in tongues, speaking in tongues. And I said, calm down. The way you are praying, there's a problem you saw downstairs. He said, yes. And he told me one of the pastors who was dancing, one of my very good pastors, good sons. As what was going on, they said the daughter died. So he heard I was there. He brought the daughter, grown up girl, brought the daughter's corpse in the car, in a cab. And I was praying. And I said, did you touch her? I said, she's dead, she's gone. And I told him, excuse me. He said, okay. I said, no, excuse me means you should leave. And they left. And I did something. Don't ask me what I did. Before Jesus raised the dead, he told them, leave. I did something. I activated covenant. There's nothing as powerful as covenant. Where your strength and why was Peter sleeping in the prison? Covenant. They're about to kill you the next day and you are sleeping. The guy was walking on the wings of covenant. That's why every believer must strive to get to a level of covenant walk with God. With all we have done, with all going on in this world today, why can't God destroy the earth? There's a covenant of the rainbow. God honors covenant. I said, step out. And he said, should I go to the room? This is the sitting room. I said, just leave this place. And he left. I said, 5 minutes, okay. When we finished, the Lord told me what was wrong. And I went downstairs. Cold. I got to the car, put the girl's head on my lap, and I sat down. He said, rather than my name to be polluted among the hidden, I will intervene. And I activated covenant. And I spoke and prayed. She opened her eyes. She jerked back to life. She sat, she sat down, and we were excited, we were happy. They left. And my prayer partner was, wow, 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 wow. We thought we were done. Less than 45 minutes, my phone was on fire. My phone was ringing. The pastor said he just got a message that his mom just slumped dead. He said, man of God, another one has happened. I said, nothing happened. It was back to sender. Back to sender. I said, hear me, I'm not praying for your mom. Go home, bury your mother. Don't keep her 1 week or 2 weeks. Bury her immediately. And in the burial, do not cry. If a grandmother does not value a grandchild, then she has no business being alive. Am I talking to somebody right now? Anything they fired at you, may it go back to those who fired it. Anything fired at you, under which you are suffering now, fired at your brother, fired at your sister, fired at your relative, fired at your job, fired at your health, anything fired at you, under which you are laboring and suffering now, it backfires. 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 Somebody shout fire. If wickedness is good, let them taste it. If to make a man depressed is sweet, let them eat it. And there are people who are laboring under the hatred of another man. Just hating is bad enough, but to move beyond hating and implement structures for retrogression, structures for subversion, structures for diversion, to subvert a man from his course, the Lord approveth not. For who is he that saith a thing, and it cometh to pass? Lamentations 3:36 and 37. When the Lord commanded it not. If you have been a victim here of a finger of witchcraft, of an altar that is crying, of a satanic stronghold, someone pouring libation on a shrine to continually service an altar, I stand to make a declaration on your life. That power expires today. Expires today. Expires today. Take your seat.